Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Focus on African Women's Health. My name is Dr. Olayide Ogunshiji of the School of Nursing and Midwifery, Western Sydney University, Australia. It is a beautiful morning here and I welcome you again to this program. We are continuing on the conversation we started last week on what makes Africans African. And if you have not forgotten, I brought you the responses from a number of Africans here on their perception of what makes Africans African. And I promised you then that today's edition will look at the analysis of those responses. This analysis will be approached within social determinants of health framework. Social determinants of health are the conditions in which people are born, grow, live, which people work, and even age. Social determinants of health influence how likely one will be healthy or become ill. There were three core areas identified as what make Africans African, and we'll be looking at them one after the other. Number one is culture. Culture is a social determinant of health. It is the accumulation of beliefs, values, and knowledge that are inherited from one generation to the other and that determine social and health behavior. For the Africans, they value respect and the belief in supernatural beings. And even though many of them are living in Western country at the moment, they mentioned in their responses that they take their traditional belief, traditional knowledge, and their thoughts about health with them, which they have inherited from generation to generation in the course of socialization. Number two is the issue of social support network. This is also a social determinant of health, which is very important and it's an important component that the participants laid emphasis on. To the Africans, having a sense of community where belongingness is valued and where connections between individuals and families are important is very crucial and an integral part of health promotion. According to the respondents, Africans value communal way of life, where an individual business is considered as everybody's business. Number three thing that we identified from the responses was health practices. This is also a social determinant of health. These are what people do to remain healthy. And for the Africans, they have quite a number of health practices around various health issues. And from time to time, you will discover that some of these health practices will be explored in various editions of this program. For example, next week, Monday, we will be focusing on a topical issue of breast cancer screening practices among African migrant women. I look forward to seeing you then. And once again, my name is Dr. Olayide Ogunshiji. Thank you very much for being with me today. And until next Monday, it's bye for now.